Alright, in this video we're going to explore what I think could possibly be the most exciting feature of Affiliate Elite. This feature that I'm about to show you is something that you can purchase from other websites online for $100 a month or more. That's right, $100 a month or more. You won't pay anything near that when you use Affiliate Elite. I'm talking about the reverse Google search. To get an idea of the power of this feature, let's decide that we want to find out what's happening with the AdWords campaigns of, let's say, Rich Jerk. There's a product that we know is selling very well online. We know there's good profit margins in that, good click-throughs, good sales ratios. Affiliate Elite goes online and downloads every current AdWords listing for richjerk.com. Here they are. There are currently 238 running, and we can find out every single detail about each and every one of these. For instance, we can sort by keywords. So, if we're looking for specific words like billionaire to see whether or not those are successful as keywords, we can look those up. Now, each of these ads will vary over time. This ad's showing at number 1 right now, but that's going to change from day to day. But you can track exactly what's happening with any ad. Let's see what the ad looks like. Well, first of all, the title is The Rich Jerk. We can also look at, let me just reposition these columns a little bit so that we can see exactly what we're dealing with here. Here's the first line of the body of this number 1 ranking ad. User-friendly program, low cost. And then we can also see the second line, or body field number 2, which is guaranteed to make money. And the URL that they're advertising for is richjerk.com. Can you see how powerful this is? Now, what are some other uses? Of course, you could just reverse engineer this ad. You could use this as a basis for your own ad. You don't want to rip people off and steal their copy, but you can do something very close, and you can pretty much count on getting the same level of success. You even know what keyword phrase to bid on. You could also start tracking what other top affiliates are doing and detect patterns in their marketing. You could find out, for instance, what keywords seem to be getting really good returns. I mean, if we look at things like how to be a millionaire, millionaire marketing, millionaire training, we begin to see a pattern emerging. So it's kind of interesting to look and see what kinds of ads are working for these keyword phrases. And I think you can see what a powerful research tool this is. Now, as I said earlier, there are services that give you this feature alone. This is all they do. And they charge you $100 a month or more. This is just one of the projects you have at your fingertips day or night when you own Affiliate Elite.